Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you history challenge in icon journey of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you are going to play the Zinedine Zidane, the icon journey. And before we start, I made this video is for beginner and new into this game and confusing how you can complete the quest, challenge the event so you get ton of rewards from it. And let's get started by tapping play, tap the live events, and tap this icon journey. So make sure you have the Zinedine Zidane, central attacking midfielder from France, with 82 OVR. And if you already done this first three match, second match, and you're already done with history challenge versus Bayern Munich, and you unlock this history challenge versus the Juventus, and you can get 10 guarantee rewards of icon journey token. Tap the play. So this is the head-to-head match versus Juventus. Starting for the first minute, you have to score goal to win this match, and you can get the icon journey token to unlock the next chapter. Make sure you have to play passionately, no need to rush. So please free to try your luck. Try or hone your skill and win this icon journey event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.